Good afternoon. It is May the 6th. May the 6th. Don't I wish? It's March the 6th, about 5:35 in the afternoon here in Hermitage, Tennessee. Just a quick reminder that tomorrow, March the 7th, all new content and user-to-user that I post will be posted to the Discord site. I will be responding to any new content anybody else posts in the Google Plus community, but I will not be adding any new content to that community. So if you haven't already joined the user Discord site, I urge you to do so. Remember, April the 2nd, Google Plus goes away entirely. At that point, our group will be on Discord, and of course my YouTube channel for videos such as this. But they'll also be posted in the Discord site. There will be a link to the Discord user site down below in the comments of this. Just wanted to remind everybody, we're trying to get everybody over there before April 2nd when the consumer side of G Plus shuts down entirely. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on Discord.